Today we are reading the last of our 5-minute Bluey stories from our Bluey book here. And we're going to read Typewriter. At school, Bluey is being a story writer. Chloe comes to tell her that it's time for a story with Calypso. Tick, 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 ching! Tick, 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 ching!
I love stories.
Everyone sits up straight to listen. Snickers tries and tries, but oops. Calypso begins. There was once an old dog who had sat on a chest by the side of the road for all his life, begging for treats. One day, a gnome came by and said to the old dog, "Have you tried opening that chest you sit on to see what's inside?" "Oh, no, of course not. There's nothing inside," said the old dog. "It's empty." "Can I sit next to you, Coco?" says Winton. He sits right up close to her.
Oh, that's close.
Winton is a space invader. The gnome insisted that the old dog open the chest, and when he did, he discovered it was full of treats. Bluey didn't think the story makes sense, so she decided to write a new one with a better ending. But when she and Chloe get back to the typewriter, it's gone. "Hey, where'd the real typewriter go?" I'll go ask Calypso," says Bluey. I can't be a story writer without a real typewriter." On her way to find Calypso, Bluey sees Snickers. He looks sad. "Hey, Snickers, what's wrong?" "Everyone else has learned to sit except me." "But you're a sausage dog," says Bluey. "It's going to take you longer because you're longer." "I hate being a sausage dog," Snickers moans.
I think sausage dogs are cute.
I do too. Bluey suggests that Snickers comes to find Calypso to see if she can help them both. On the way, they bump into Winton, who looks sad. "Hey, Winton, what's wrong?" "Everyone keeps running away from me." "Well, why don't you come to see Calypso with us?" asks Bluey. "Maybe she can help you." "Okay," says Winton. "I'll follow you." The three friends head off until they are stopped by the terriers. They are playing a game. "Hey, we're shooting bows and arrows at ya," the terriers say to Bluey, Snickers, and Winton. "Don't fall over." "Not real ones," says Snickers. "Please, can you pretend that they're pretend real?" "Okay," Bluey says. She yells at Snickers and Winton. "Arrows! Get down!" They race away from the pretend real arrows. "Snickers, you sneak around them through those skinny trees," Bluey says, "and then wait at the top of the hill to do you know what." "I'm coming. Where are you?" Snickers sneaks through the skinny trees as a terrier tries to spot him. But Snickers' sausage shape keeps him hidden. Meanwhile, Bluey has an idea for getting past one of the other terriers. "Ask him a question," she tells Winton, "and then he'll run away." Winton is confused. "Why would he run away if I ask him a question?" "Because you're a spice invader. It's someone who stands too close." Winton gives it a go. "Are you gluten-free?" "Winton, not so close." "Just tell me, are you gluten-free?" "Ah!" It works. The last terrier has them trapped, but Winton has an idea. "Here, use this shield," he says, handing Bluey a pretend real shield. "Okay," says Bluey. "Hang on." Ping, ba-ding, ping, ba-ding, ping. They escape and scare the terrier away. Bluey and Winton run away up the hill, but the terriers soon chase them. Bluey shouts to Snickers, "Snickers, now! Sausage roll! I love being a sausage dog." "Oh, good one, Snickers," Bluey and Winton shout, and then Bluey laughs. "Hey, Winton, look." Winton isn't standing close. "I'm not a space invader." Finally, Bluey asks Calypso where the real typewriter has gone. "Oh, it's around here somewhere," says Calypso. "Hey, how did you get past the terriers?" "I used a shield," says Bluey. "See? Ting, ting." "Well, that's a nice shield." "Okay, Typewriter, where is it?" Calypso smiles. "What if I ask you to show me a typewriter?" Bluey shows Calypso a pretend real typewriter, just like she used the pretend real shield to escape the terriers. Tick, 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 ching! "Well, that's a lovely typewriter, isn't it?" says Calypso. "Thanks, Calypso," says Bluey as she races off. "I'm going to write my story now." It is a lovely typewriter, and Bluey will always have it with her. Where was the typewriter?
Under Calypso's seat.
That's right. All right. Good night. I love you.